Welcome to another real nice recipe from Real Nice Guyana. Today we're going to be making chicken liver and gizzard curry. And for this dish we're going to be using the packets that you get in the supermarket. These ones here. So this is 2 packets of gizzard we're going to be cooking on 1 packet of liver. So in total this would be about 2 1/4 pounds, I say, because each of gizzards is about 3/4 pound and the liver is almost a pound. So about 2.5 pounds. And the rest of the ingredients for this here, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted ground Geera, 1 tablespoon of Garam Massala, we have salt to taste, 4 tablespoons of blended garlic. We've added some pepper in there, you don't have to if you're not using the pepper. 1 onion, 1 Wiri Wiri pepper, optional, and 4 stems of shallot. Okay guys, so that's all the ingredients you're going to be needing for this liver and gizzard curry. Okay, so let's get started guys. So this is gizzards we're cleaning here, and this is the way you clean them. Cut out the tip there, cut them down the middle, and then you're gonna wash them after. Okay guys, so this is how we clean the liver for cooking. You're just gonna cut out the ends. Here has the fat and stuff. And that's it. They're small, so you don't have to cut them. Okay guys, so we're gonna start by mixing the curry paste as usual. Garam masala, curry powder, roasted Geera, and the garlic. With some water, we're gonna have our curry paste. We've also chopped the onions and the shallot. We're gonna add a pepper whole if you're gonna be adding that. We've also washed out the gizzards and the liver, ready to go. Okay guys, so to this pan here we've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. It's heated, so now we're gonna add our curry paste there. And your curry paste needs to be cooked for about 2 minutes so that it releases all the flavors from the different ingredients in there. We are also going to add the onions now. So we've added a bit of water there. You can add a little bit of water if you see that it's dry in there. probably gonna burn in the 2 minutes. Man, if you can smell that. So delicious. So it's been about 2 minutes, and we're gonna add our gizzard and liver here. So as you know, when washing the liver, it's hard to get rid of most of the water because of the texture of the liver. So this is going to have a lot of water once it starts cooking here. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt here. So what we're doing here is bunjaing this liver and gizzard to go with dal and rice. And because the liver is gonna still has so much water when we add it, you're not gonna be adding any water to cook this later. This here is gonna be cooked fully with the water is gonna release. Okay guys, which makes it much more tastier because you're not gonna be adding any water later. Alright, so see you later. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes since we started this here now. Now we're gonna check here. And as you can see, as I said, the water that the liver had retained, and with the juices from the water that both the liver and gizzard has released, this is so much here now, and this is gonna be enough to cook this down. Okay, we're now gonna add our shallot and the pepper if you're adding your pepper. And when you don't have to add water to any dish, it's that much more tastier. So we're gonna cover this back and let it cook. So this is about 35 minutes of cooking time, and the water has reduced considerably, as you can see. So we're gonna be drying this down, as I said, with least water as possible. This won't be much longer, so I'll cover this back and let it cook. Okay guys, so I give this another 5 minutes after I last checked it. So total cooking time is about 35 minutes. And this liver and gizzard is done. So I'm gonna take a taste of this here now guys, see what it tastes like. Delicious. This is gonna go so very well with the dal and rice. I'm going to be having a wonderful meal today. So there you have it guys. Chicken liver and gizzard curry. This goes very nice with dal and rice. You can also have it with just rice or roti or whatever you like. Very delicious. So if you like this recipe guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. When you do, you get notified by email of every video that we post to YouTube. In that way, you don't miss a single video. Also, please share this video, guys. And as always, thanks for watching. Until we meet again, take care. Bye.